Hello viewers, welcome to our another video. I'm Tanvir with you. Now I'm gonna show you how to set up TP-Link wireless router AC750 ARCHER C20 router. Let's begin.
Data rate 5 GHz up to 433 Mbps, 2.4 GHz up to 300 Mbps, antenna 2 dual band fixed antennas, frequency 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, wireless function enable disable, wireless radio, WDS bridge, WMM, wireless statics, interface 410 by 100 Mbps LAN port, 110 by 100 Mbps WAN port, ports 4 LAN ports, 1 WAN ports, power source, power mode 9 volt 06 ampere. First plug in your router's power cable, plug in your internet cable into the WAN port of the router, then connect one end of the short cable found in the router box to the LAN of the router and the other to the PC or laptop. For those who don't have a laptop or PC, you can complete the setup via phone. If you want, you need to connect the router's Wi-Fi and then follow the steps shown here. First, open any web browser on your device. Then go to the address bar and type 192.168.0.1. Then hit on enter. Use the router's default password admin here. Then click on login. Now click on quick setup. Then click on next. Now here we select wireless router option. Then click on next. Now here we select PPPoE/Russia PPPoE option. Then click on next. Now use the username and password that your ISP company gives you instead of username and password. I'm using my confirm password. Then click on next. Now here we will use 2.4G. So we will uncheck 5G. Then click on next. Now we will give our Wi-Fi name in the place of the wireless network name. Then select security option, type wireless password, then click on next. Now here click on save. So friends, we have completed our setup. Now we have got internet. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.